Board Reporting Dashboard for ESG from Diligent. A breath of fresh air for your ESG reporting. Collecting and organizing an overwhelming amount of ESG data is a tall task. Presenting a clear and compelling story in a meaningful way is even harder. It's time to stop feeling overwhelmed and start feeling the benefits of having clarity into every level of your ESG practice. Diligent is trusted by more than 750,000 board members for every board meeting, and we're here to help optimize your reporting process in 3 easy steps, giving you the confidence and clarity you've been looking for. First, we help you streamline data organization and analysis, collecting all your third-party ESG scores in one place so you can see how you compare to your competitors, which you can curate alongside critical internal data points from climate reporting from Diligent ESG, with your commentary on what the data means, all in one secure platform, creating a complete and auditable data set to help you address the questions of stakeholders inside and outside your organization, including the board. Next, we help you build a repeatable and templatized ESG dashboard, crafted with insights and feedback gathered from over 20 years of experience working with boards, and empowering you to deliver clear, consistent, easily digestible dashboards to make it clear what the data means to your organization, so you can align your organization around the metrics that matter and support meaningful discussions on ESG. Finally, we help you tell your ESG story in the context of market expectations, risk, and historical trends, the way you want to tell it. Integration with Diligent Boards lets you easily surface your report directly to your board and leadership team, and gives you control over who sees the report and when. Are you ready to take your ESG reporting to the next level? Upgrade Diligent Boards with Board Reporting for ESG.